So, you want to help contribute to folding at home but have no idea where to get started? Don't worry, we've got you covered. To get started, go to foldingathome.org. Scroll down a little, and when you see the Downloads button, click on it. You will be brought to a screen where you can choose which version of the software you want. Simply choose your computer's operating system and click on the corresponding button. A small application will then be downloaded to your computer, which is the installer of Folding at Home. Once the download is complete, run the .exe file. Allow the installer to make changes to your computer when it prompts you and proceed with the installation. Read and agree to the terms and conditions and then choose your installation type. For most users, we recommend the Express install as it is the no-fuss way to get started. Let the installer run and install the software and then make sure that the Start Folding at Home checkbox is ticked. Finally, press Finish. Your web browser will then open a new page with a website link of client.foldingathome.org. This web page is how you control folding at home on your computer. First, click on Set up an identity near the middle of the screen. Then press Start Folding. Here you can set your username, team number, and your passkey. Set the username to a name you wish to be known by, the team number to 1060866, which is the team number for the Folding CSS team. If you want to, you can also create a passkey by pressing the Get a Passkey link, which will take you to a page to register your username and email address. After you are happy with your settings, press Save. Next, you can choose how much computing power to allocate and when should it be allocated. The power setting determines how much of your computing power will be used. For most people, setting it to medium will be fine. If you wish to donate more resources, select the full option. Next, you can choose when to have your computer donate its resources. You can make it constantly run while the computer is on, or only run when you are not using it and the computer is on and idle. We recommend setting this function to only when I'm idle for most computers as to not disturb you when you are working. For computers that you do not regularly use, you can set the option to while I'm working to have it constantly running in the background. Also, if you have a preference of which diseases you would like to support researching first, you can also choose the first pick from the checkbox above. If you've done everything correctly, then you should be ready to start folding proteins.